Can having too many lovers block your soulmate from finding you? Stay tuned while I share the answer to this question and also provide you with a solution. Hi everyone, I'm Diana Palm, your love attraction specialist, and I have helped thousands of individuals increase their love vibration and attract their soulmate. And now it's your turn. Today we're going to be discussing if having too many lovers can actually prevent your soulmate from finding you. And I love this topic because women are strong, independent, empowered, and in so many ways have really stepped to the forefront in their sexual empowerment. Not too long ago, my clients were starting to express to me that they were finding men irrelevant, that they really didn't have a strong need for them because they were doing it all. Having it all, and when it came to the actual sexual component, well, they could just buy some sex toys and please themselves. So they were finding very little need for men. This is a really harmful energy to be in, and it really prevents you from attracting and keeping your soulmate. First, I want to let you know that you all have soulmates. You have multiple soulmates throughout your life. And the reason you actually want to attract your soulmate to you is because there is no better joy than actually connecting with somebody who truly sees you for who you are, can appreciate you for who you are, and who wants to grow with you. If you have not had a soulmate relationship yet that was really beneficial and very compatible, you may be comparing your relationships to a lot of past unhealthy partners or toxic relationships. But I'd really like to help you clear the slate, because even if you have had a lot of lovers, your soulmate can still find you. Now, here's something you need to know about having a lot of lovers, is that every single time you have sex with another person, you're sharing your soul energy. There are elements and fragments of your soul being left behind with everybody you go to bed with. Now, this doesn't mean you can't have a very fruitful, abundant sex life, but what it does mean is that you really need to be aware that your spiritual energy has become depleted. And this is why, if you have had a lot of lovers, it can be more difficult for your soulmate to find you. They will not recognize you by your spiritual energy. And a soulmate is your spiritual relationship. It is spiritual compatibility. So when this gets diminished by sleeping around too much, your soulmate can't recognize you. They can't find you. They could even be close, but they don't recognize the energy. When people sign up and take my Manifesting Your Soulmate course, they actually get a lot of spiritual healing in the program that helps restore their spiritual energy, bringing back, cleansing, and returning all soul fragments that they have given away to all previous lovers throughout the years, so that their spiritual energy is really strong and dynamic again and full, so that their soulmate can come in and easily attract and find them. There are many other spiritual processes that I provide in the 6-week healing program to really bring your spiritual energy into a place of attracting and being ready for your highest potential partner. But in this video, like I promised, I'm going to provide you with a solution. But I am going to call back soul fragments that you've given away to at least one partner. So for this, it's a very light meditation. I will be getting my connection. I want you to close your eyes, and I will be doing the work to call this back. What you may notice is that you'll get a little bit more energy. You may have more clarity about you, your life path, your purpose, and you may be able to release the person that's been really driving you nuts. When we connect with a partner sexually, we actually exchange soul fragments, and the essence of this energy is your spiritual energy. So not only are they carrying parts of you, you're carrying parts of them forever, unless this process is done. You will know exactly who to release while we're doing this, because this would be somebody from your past who's on your mind a lot. It does not mean that you're still in love with them, but you may be actually thinking about their life, their choices. You may be angry at them or resentful of them. You may be still thinking about the lifestyle that you had with them, or that one date that you had, or whatever. Sometimes they're just on your mind more than they need to be. And this is because their energy is literally infused with your spiritual energy. So I want you to take a moment and decide right now who you would like to release today. And we're going to do this with love. It's going to be a blessing for them, and it's going to definitely be a blessing for you, because meanwhile, we're going to be bringing yours back that this person has been carrying for you. We're going to rinse it, cleanse it, and return it to you in the highest and best way so that your spiritual energy becomes stronger and fuller. Go ahead now and close your eyes while we do this process. Go ahead and relax. Close your eyes. And as I get my connection, I want you to picture the name and the person that you wish to call back a soul fragment from. And as you hold this person in your mind's eye, I will make the command to bring this back for you right now. It is commanded to return soul fragments that were exchanged with this person. Rinse, cleanse, and return to you, and any that you have been carrying for this person. Rinse, cleanse, and return to them in highest and best ways for both parties now. So one of the things you may notice from this is that if you have been thinking a lot about this person, you will no longer do that. Especially if it's been very obsessive, then you really know you have a lot of their soul fragments within your spiritual energy. The other thing that you'll notice is that you actually feel more like yourself, and you'll feel a boost of energy with more mental clarity and more spiritual energy. This is a blessing, and this is a healing for both parties. It is always done with love. All fragments are always rinsed and cleansed before they're returned to the original person that owns them. So there's no kind of indebtedness or karmic energy playing out between the two of you. This is the beautiful and powerful severing of spiritual energy, where you're just kind of moving forward with the blessings. So no matter how the relationship ever worked out, it was a connection, it was purposeful, and it added to your life path. And same with you, yours influenced them in a positive way as well, even when it did not last, even when it did not go anywhere, even when it ended. Knowing that this relationship actually mattered, and now you've taken ownership by calling back your pieces from them, will restore the balance in your life. If you're interested in doing more spiritual work to really build your spiritual energy and easily call in your soulmate, make sure to check out Manifesting Your Soulmate System. The link for the website is below this video. I can also do this process for multiple lovers in one private session. The link for my website is also below this video at dianapalm.com. If you like this video, be sure to like it, subscribe, and make sure to share with a friend, especially if you know they might be in need of calling back some of their spiritual energy and soul fragments. I post a new video every single Thursday. And when you feel spiritually balanced, in alignment, and you really feel ready to call in your soulmate, make sure you check out this video right here with a very, very powerful guided meditation for calling in your soulmate. Thanks so much, everyone. I appreciate you being here, and I can't wait to help you fall in love.